Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is PMS, subject Social Studies, grade 7, lecture number 38. Chapter number 10, The Early Muslims, pages 49, 50, 51. Page 47 and 48 we have discussed in our previous lecture. So today we will discuss page number 49, 50 and 51. The Crusades. The Crusades took place from the 11th to 13th century. Why they are called Crusades? These Christian fighters were called Crusaders because the Latin word from the cross, a Christian symbol, is crux. The important Muslim leader of this period was Salahuddin al-Ayyubi. He was of Kurdish origin. His achievements: he ruled over Syria and Egypt and recaptured Jerusalem from the Crusaders. He was a king. He was a kind and generous ruler. He sent his doctors to treat his enemy Richard I King of England when he fell ill. Salahuddin died in Damascus, Syria. He left little wealth, just barely enough for his funeral. Effects of the Crusades and the Muslim rule. There was extensive exchange of knowledge and ideas. What the Europeans learned from the Arabs? They learned the science of map making, cartography, Naksha Nigari, use of the compass and astrolabe for navigation. Arabic numbers, originally from India, developed mathematics, fine steel for weaponry, luxury goods, for example, carpets, glass mirrors, musical instruments, chess, and playing cards, food, spices, perfumes, and textiles. The other important Muslim dynasties were Fatimid Fatimid dynasty from 910 to 1171. The Fatimids were based in Egypt, where they founded the city of Cairo. Their empire stretched from Syria and parts of eastern Arabia to Sicily, Malta, and right across North Africa to Morocco. Seljuk from 1037 to 1194. The founder of this dynasty was Seljuk Beg, and the empire was established by Tughril Beg. The Seljuks were Turco-Persian and ruled over territory from Turkey in the west to modern Uzbekistan in the east, and the Persian Gulf and Oman to the south. Ayyubid, its dynasty from 1169 to 1250. It was founded by Nuruddin Zangi. Its famous rulers were Salahuddin al-Ayyubi. The Ayyubi Empire was based in Syria. Mamluk. Mamluk dynasty from 1250 to 1390. The word Mamluk means slave in Arabic. They were mainly of Turk and Mongol origin and came to power after Salahuddin Ayyubi. They were based in Syria, Palestine, and Egypt. Ottoman Empire from 1281 to 1924, one of the longest ruling dynasties. They were of Turkish origin. Among their most notable rulers were Muhammad II, the conqueror of Constantinople, Suleiman the Magnificent, and Selim II. Mongols from 1206 to 1334, of Central Asian origin. They were fierce and ruthless people meaning लोग बहुत ज़्यादा बेरहम होते थे. During their invasions with हमले to the civilized countries of their time, they appear to have spread devastation. Devastation means तबाही wherever they went. जहाँ कहीं जिस मुल्क पर भी या जिस जगह पर भी हमला करते वहाँ तबाही मचा देते थे. Two of their memorable leaders were Genghis Khan and Hulagu Khan. The Mongols were originally nature worshippers. Worshipper means a person who shows great admiration for something, but they tolerated other faiths. They converted to Islam in the 13th and 14th centuries, first under Ghazan and then Timur. इस्लाम कबूल करने के बाद फिर मंगोल्स का नाम चेंज होके मोल हो गया. Now it's time to note your homework. Do reading of pages 49, 50, 51 of chapter number